Welcome to Bexley Test 3 Non-Verbal Reasoning Subtest 3. Here we go. Every single question you can pause, have a go, and then unpause, and then I'll go through it. 5 minutes for 10 questions. Also, I am talking directly into my microphone. It is right here. It's a professional Blue Yeti mic. The sound is very clear. Now, if I am not loud enough for you, make sure you turn me all the way up, and then it will be really clear. How so? The mic is in front of me. Here we go. 5 minutes for 10 questions. In each question, there's a row of squares arranged in order. There's one square marked with a question mark, and there may be some squares shaded so that you cannot see the pattern. Decide which of the 5 options should take the place of the question mark and mark its letter on the sheet. Fascinating. Normally, these kind of questions is what's next. But actually, they're just saying there's a blank square. We work that out, but then we just keep going with that pattern. Very interesting question. I haven't seen this before. Good. I'm learning as well. Here we go. Here we go. So it's a sequence question. We need to decide, do we go forward or back? If you are one of my students, that is exactly what I say to you. Let's go forward. Can you see the arrow? 12, 9, 6. So it should be spinning at 3 o'clock. But remember, that's the grey square. That's not the one we want. So we spin again. 12 o'clock. It's got to go up, up, up. Cross them off. That's why I tell my students, if an option is wrong, we cross it off. It's got to go up. Now we look at the pattern. The box, it's a cross, then grey, then lined. Cross will be here. Grey, then lined, cross. So this pattern is just repeating every few times. So it's got to be grey. No, yes, no. C is the answer. Good stuff. Let's keep going. Question 2. Look at the border. White with a lined circular border, then black, then thin. White, black, thin. It's just got to be a thin border. No, no. Thin. Dun, dun. Now look at the color of the arrow. White, black, white, black, white, black. Cross it off. And now look at the arrow spinning. Up, up, clockwise, clockwise, clockwise somewhere, clockwise again. So spin this dude round again. But can you see D is just spinning a bit? It's got to spin a bit more. Clockwise. E is the answer. Question 3. Let's go backwards. Look at the triangle. Down, up, down, up, down. Look at the number of dots. Does it matter really here? Just get a bit closer, mate. How about here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 4, 3, 2, 1. You can use that just to help you go a bit forward. It's got to have 3 dots. Now look at the pattern of the triangle. Lined, white, grey, lined. White, grey, lined. So it's just pattern of 3, just like we saw before. It is grey triangle going down. E is the answer. Question 4. We can go forward. Let's pick the colour inside. Grey, window, white. Grey, window, white, grey. Because that's the one we want. I haven't seen this before where there are 2 boxes. So what? We just keep the pattern going. It's got to be grey inside. This is spinning around. The cool thing is, if we quickly look at all of these avocados or all of these toys, they're all facing the same way, so it doesn't matter. You need to look at the thing that changes. It's the dot. How is that dot moving each time? It's going anti-clockwise, mate. Anti-clockwise, up and then across. That little black dot will be top left. Now we're going down. How do we know? Because if we go again, it will be there. Bottom left corner. We are good. A is the answer. Question 5. Count. 1, 2, 3, 4. Remember, all we care about is the question marks, not the grey square. So it's got to be 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 4. Next, look at the colours. White. Going up, down, up, down. All the whites must be going down. No, white must be down. All whites must be down. Good, good. And now look at the placement of them. Can you see the white one? White, white, white. All of the white one, especially just focusing on the first line, is always in the same place. So we're not switching places. White has to be first. Just like black, gonna be second, fourth, and sixth. White is first. D is the answer. Question 6, we are 5 minutes in. Let's hurry up now. So much to look at, is ridiculous. Now, how do we break this down? We must pick a shape to focus on. Let us see how it changes. Let's go with the diamond. Diamond here, here, here. Can you see this little diamond shape is moving anti-clockwise? So the diamond will be up top here. Now that agrees because now it is in the bottom left. Then bottom right. So this diamond keeps moving anti-clockwise, so it will be up here, but please note that's not the one we want. We're after the question mark, so diamond must be bottom left corner. Yes, no, no, yes, yes. Now the other bit that stands out to me is definitely the big shape, the grey bit. I mean tiny grey, big grey, tiny, big, tiny, big grey, tiny, big grey. And that's the brilliant thing, there's only one big grey left. Brilliant question. D is the answer. Now, is this a tough one? Yes, because there's so much to look at, but can you see, just by breaking it down into features, we've got it. D is the answer. Question 7, 6 minutes in, we're almost done, guys. 3 more questions, that is it. We don't care about this or this. Let's go forward. Now the line sticks out. Line across, line across. That was me guessing, it worked. Line and then across, so it's got to go across, so that's wrong. Look at the black dot, how's that moving? Now maybe that doesn't matter because they're so close to each other. I think that's a skill, who cares about that one at the front? Look at the black dot moving to the bottom left corner. Now moving that way. Okay, moving now where? Well, we're going up. Black has to be top corner. Yes, yes, no. Okay, those 3 options. Now how about the white one? How's that moving? Do we skip this? Yeah, why not? Can you see there? There. And now where's it gone? Well, has it disappeared? Yes. It's like behind the dot. That kind of helps because here it's like there. It's like moving one place to the right and then now going down, down here. Now we keep moving. The white dot is there. Now we move back one place. White should be in the middle. No, no, yes. And if you're not sure, if I move back, it'll be here now. And then, okay, so what? The grey one, we don't care. We go up. There we go. So it's like keep moving. It keeps moving round. The white one is moving clockwise each time. What a fantastic question. E is the answer. 8 minutes in, let's hurry up. Just 2 more questions after this. So we want that question mark. You need to decide straight away. Do you go forward or back? Make it easy, mate. Who cares about these 2 grey right now? Let's go back. We are after the question mark. That's the skill. Look at the pattern. Thin, doubled. Now what happened? We're spinning this round anti-clockwise. Spin it here. Anti. Now this. Spin again. Anti. Spin. Then we spin this dude round like this. Yes. No. Yes. No. Next. Count, mate. Count. What else to do? Look at the dots. 5. Dun dun dun. 5. 5. It's got to have 5. Dun dun. They're all 5. Okay. Let's ignore that. Look at the inside. How is that spinning round? How is that changing? Black triangle. Move it. Flip this dude round anti-clockwise. Flip it around anti. Anti again. Now this black triangle will be the top right. Top right. Yes. Yes. No. And now what's the difference between A and C? Ah, the type of line. Good. I mentioned that before but didn't register. Thin. Double. Thick. Thin. Thin. Good. C is the answer. 2 more questions. That's it. Question 9, we are 9 minutes in. 2 more questions, including this one. We are done. So no choice. We've got to go forward. Seems a bit mean, doesn't it, to have the final one. Here we go. Now, colour matters to me. Lined, grey, lined, grey, lined, grey, lined, grey, lined. cross it off. Shape matters as well. 4, 6, that's an octagon. 8, 4, 6, 8, 4, 6, 8. Saving time, just putting a dot. We need to find it as fast as we can. 8. Dun dun, out. Now, what else? Look at the little dot. Top left, middle, bottom right, middle. It's like down and then back in, top corner, mate. Here. Then back in, middle, and now up top, mate. Up top, top left corner. Done. B is the answer. One more question, that's it. We're 10 minutes in, good stuff. Question 10, that's it. After this, give yourself a break. Ask mum and dad, give yourself a reward. You deserve it. Why not? Here we go. We want the question mark. Do we go all the way from the front? No, what a waste of time. What a tremendous waste of time. Here we go. We're so close. We are so close. Count, mate. Just count. Look at the little arrows. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. 3, 2. Yeah, 3. 3 little arrows. 3, yes. Dun 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 dun. 4, no. 4, no. Dun 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 dun. Oh, that was nice. And if you look at the difference between A and D, you can see what's the difference is the lines. It's like you're forcing yourself to get the question right. By looking at the final two, you can see that final feature. Here we go. Count the little lines. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Count here just in case. 3, dun dun dun, 4. It doesn't matter. We did not look at any of this. That's the skill. You need to decide what type of information is useful. 4 lines, job done. 3 here. No. D is the answer. Good stuff. Thank you so much for watching all the way until the end. We're 12 minutes in. Good stuff. You deserve a break. So, couple videos to recommend right here, right now. Here we go. Let me just make the screen darker. Top left corner, it will actually be the previous non-verbal video. I'm either going to put subtest 1 or 2 in the top left, and then bottom left corner, I'm going to put a vocab video because they're just so useful. Vocab is such a big part of your 11 plus exam. You want to stay in this channel, you want to keep learning, quickly watch, quickly select one of them, keep learning, keep growing. You're always one step closer to passing your driving exam. Just kidding. You're always one step closer to passing your 11 plus exam. It is now 18:15, 6:15 p.m. Friday the 19th of July 2024. That's it for now. See you later.